Yes, so me I tell you on behalf of Jamaica, please may I beg you. It's not the same. It's not the same. It's not everybody. But the little one, you know, the reason why the little one is innocent, or the baby didn't do a surgery and all of that, you know. So we can't really curse children. We can't really curse children. Them innocent. Just speak. They're coming like say you talk about the hand. Don't talk about the hand and the head and the eye and the foot and the nose and so. No. Just talk about their hand. So that's not if not talk about her no rubber out. If not rubber out. You understand me? I pick up our life, I saw it go. And then this now Mackerel now open her eyes and see now and Jamaican open their eyes and she say they will know what is what. You understand me? But she's out of order. She's very, very out of order. And I think she should come and say apology. But guess what? Now, some people just do it for the clout and support, and some people just don't do it. Just do it, you know, and not care and support. But people think about short term, me think about long term. Yes.
Well,
And no
Magnet,
fun.
nobody in his life was her but her child. She actually come up, she was brave enough to come up here and go on. Who knows, all we, she doesn't say what she had to say, she had no apologies. And like, all we suck una mother. That was your words. She's very
But guess what
disrespectful.
now? But guess what? No, guess what? No, me I tell you this. You see, let me tell you this. This is Jamaica no paradise. Let me tell you this. Let me teach the people of Jamaica. They live in the ghetto, the mother part ghetto. Now Western Kingston. You understand me? That's the baddest and the maddest ghetto. And let me tell you, Jamaica no stand. I want to get a picture with a pastor in a Portland. I lick out one madman batty. I mean madman when eating a rubbish bin and a dagger. You understand me? My Venezuelan husband I say blagger. And I'm a pastor in the 70th church of Portland. Enough creepy things. You see in Jamaica, gay man, it's my best friend. I'm not busy when nobody want to in that thing there. You understand me? I'm not busy where you want to say my roommate. I'm not busy when nobody want to do in that bedroom. Just not but not put it to me. But people are people. You understand me? But at the same thing, when I try to say is no. Jamaica are the worst. Enough of them and enough of we have skeleton in our closet. Not turn off the AC. Turn off the AC if I go smoke and open the window. Yeah. Open the window. Yeah. You understand me? Enough skeleton in every small country. The whole of we are one small country, you know. One small country. Trinidad, Guyanese, Barbados, Bermuda. You understand me? So in a sound good. But me like on a unite, but it don't really sound good, babe. And then no, not only that now, probably you have Guyanese with that one from Jamaica. Probably you have a Jamaican over Guyanese where who is the Irish. Probably you have a Jamaican where married to all the Guyanese and support. How you think she have a feel? Probably not found or some of the people them have Guyanese, what you call it, Guyanese husband. I don't know, I'm on the live, babe. You look and give him the light, no? Sure. Yeah. Enough of them might have Guyanese grand pitney, Guyanese daughter, Guyanese children, and all of those things. You understand me? So how you think them gonna feel? You understand me? We're gonna feel bad. We're going to feel bad. Because you're thinking about lighter, so you're getting a lighter there. But it come like it's just one lighter. The two start smoke up. You can't do with that, man. He shoot you. Open the window. Yeah. Sorry about that here, guys. Open the window and not smoke. Yeah. So please, me I beg you now. I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Probably Mackerel young still, you know. So she kind of immature. You understand me? Immature. You understand me? So just make it just finish off with tonight and stuff like that. Just make it just finish off with tonight. Please, me I beg you now. Please, me I beg you now, you know? I see if this go on and go on and go on, it will cause whole heap of mess. Enough people not gonna like it. I'm on the live. I'm on the live. Here? I'm on the live. I know when we talk, it's like the people Jamaican, you know, with disrespectful, but he's an outspoken person on the live when we finish. Here? No disrespect. Oh, yeah, hold on, I'm not going to people are going on the next one. Go.